how we generate your sample data for use in data analysis using ChatGPT. Now, I prompted ChatGPT with a simple prompt. Here is the prompt, which I generated, and I was like asking generate supermarket sales data with all required details with at least 200 rows, columns. I stated out the columns I needed. You can leave it to generate for you the columns, but I stated out the columns I needed. Went ahead and told it that it should be here between 2020 and 2023. And I asked it to give it in CSV format. So here we go. ChatGPT will generate for you the data, and obviously it will split it in the CSV format. I'm going to show you how you can copy it into your Excel for use. So most of the times, I think this one is because you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. It reaches a point it breaks, so you can always tell it to continue. So here I told ChatGPT, you know what? Continue giving me more. It continued. You see, it stopped from 10. Continued. This one was refreshed. Here it stopped at 22. I just told it continue and give me more rows. Obviously it did the same from 22, where it had broken from 1240 exactly. It continued giving me the quantities, and going forward it reached 44, which means you can continue, but it will give you in breaks. So we are going to go ahead and copy this data of ours. So I'll just do a copy, go to my Excel, I'll create a new sheet, and here we go. I'll paste my data, and the data is pasted. Sweet. Go ahead and get the other data that stopped from 22. Still copy this, go back to my Excel. I will replace from 22, paste this, and guys, this is already finished data. In case I need to reformat this, I'll just create a table, Control T and enter, and there we go. So you have complete data you can use now for your data analysis. You don't have to hustle looking for raw data to use. You see, I have item codes, item name, the date and time, and when you it has given us from 2020 to 2023. So when you check here, it has Jan to December for each year. It has given us the rate, it has given us the quantities, the discounts given on each, it has given us the checkout amount and the salesperson. So we have around 7 salespersons who work in that supermarket, and that is it, guys. You can go ahead and even start creating your data analysis. You're analyzing data, you create your pivots, and there you go. Here check get the check amount, and that is it. You can go ahead here, you can create a slicer or something to do like that, you see. So I think that is it, guys. You can go ahead and do a lot more with ChatGPT, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video, and please give us a thumbs up, hit that bell. You'll be receiving notifications wherever we post any new video, and keep up. Please leave a comment for any supplement and compliment. Bye bye, meet you in the next video.